All right. Hello, everybody. Jonathan here. Today, I'm going to show you a little bit about how I do my online hiring for VAs. Okay. So I'm Jonathan. If you don't know me already, I do digital marketing. I own a digital marketing agency called Next Level Marketing. And we have scaled from a employee base of 3 to 9. A lot due to proper hiring and proper, like finding of candidates. So, of course, there's many ways to find candidates, but today in this video, what I'm going to show you is how I do it using Go High Level, using Zapier, using onlinejobs.ph, and overall, even using Chat GPT, right? And so I'm going to walk you through a little bit about how this all works. And by the end of this, you should be able to do your own hiring to the Philippines or another area, call it South Africa, call it anywhere really, and automate the process so you get to buy back your time. So without further ado, I am going to share my screen and we will get right into it. All right, sweet. So what I have done is I'm actually going to take you from the very beginning, right? So I have ChatGPT open here, right? And you can see that there. What I'm going to do is I have this job description, sort of like I downloaded the playbook. I got this from Dan Martell, right? This playbook from Dan Martell. And I'm going to paste that in here and to copy that over into ChatGPT, ask it, tell it, because I want to get a job description, right? So I'm going to be hiring for this particular role. I'm going to be hiring an executive assistant or administrative assistant, or virtual assistant, assistant in general. But for now, executive assistant. So I'm going to tell ChatGPT I want a job description. So I will prompt it saying, please create me a to the point and yet compelling and professional job description for this role. I have pace, role, responsibilities, and job tasks that the executive assistant I will be hiring will then do. I am going to post this on a virtual assistant website in the Philippines. So I want to ensure that English speaking and writing is strong. To help me build a compelling job post. Also, be sure to add, this is important, be sure to add that in order to be considered for this role, please apply here. Insert link. All right. Perfect. So I'm going to send it. So please, here's a concise and professional job quote for an executive assistant role, drawing on the uploaded playbook content. All right. So here we go. Close that down. All right. We're seeking a highly organized and proactive executive assistant to provide top-tier administrative support to our CEO. This role is crucial for maintaining operational efficiency, ensuring the CEO's time is optimized for strategic decision-making. The ideal candidate is detail-oriented, tech-savvy, and excellent communicator, capable of managing multiple priorities in the fast-paced environment. Calendar management, inbox management, meeting coordination, travel planning, project tracking, event planning, task prioritization, right? Qualifications, working hours, flexible to work based on the CEO's schedule, and to apply, do that. All right, cool. So now we have the job description. I'm gonna grab this and save it so I don't lose it. So I'm going to copy this. I like to save my stuff in Google Drive, but you could probably use Notion. You could probably use whatever else you want to use. It's not really that important. So I'll just save it over into Google Drive, over into job descriptions. I'll create a new folder. Folder, job description, posts. All right. Let's easily do that. Just pop that boy into Google Drive and then job title. There we go. Cool. Now I got that. I'm good with that. All right. Now, what am I going to do? I'm going to go over to my website. So my website here, I have an access to my Go High Level account. I've logged into Go High Level. What I'm going to do now is create a web page. I've done this for a lot of other applications. So you actually see I do it under funnels, application funnels. Over here, these are my others. What I'm going to actually do is just grab maybe my most recent one, this one, Inside Sales Agent. I'm just going to clone it. Clone it over here and then call it a executive assistant VA. EVA. That's fine. Application. All right. I'm going to clone. And if you want this snapshot, if you want this clone, just let me know in the comments. I will send it over to you. Executive Assistant EVA application. What I'm going to do now is go in and edit this bad boy. So this is in Go High Level, our CRM that we use. If you need access to Go High Level, just let me know. We have a free trial that we provide to anyone who, comments and provides that request. So next level marketing is looking for an experienced executive. What was it called? Executive assistant to the CEO. Executive virtual assistant CEO for the CEO. All right, so I'm gonna just say that through social media marketing. This is who we are. We are expanding and looking for a talented executive assistant to join our team and help with what is the main responsibilities. Here, this is fine. I'll just copy this. Boom. Let me just do that. Why work harder when you can work smarter? I'll just grab that boy there. There we go. Okay, I'll just make a little space so you can read it. What we need from you, and this will be responsibilities. We'll grab that bad boy. Go back over here. Maybe let's just paste it. Paste it maybe with this way. There we go. That'll work. Okay. I'll just do it like this. Okay. It definitely didn't work. Let me see. Maybe I have to indent it. Okay. I don't like this indenting thing. How do I edit this? Okay. There we go. I'll do that maybe. Let me just undo all this and just start over. Undo. Okay. That'll work. Let me just, each one of these is let undo. Let me undo this one. Undo. Okay, perfect. I'll just do it like that. That's fine. Undo. Undo that. Okay, I have to undo it. I can't just backspace, so this will take just a second. So many. All right. Now that I have all that there, maybe I'll bold these, make it a little easier so people can just see the main things we're looking for here. Copy that. Okay, sweet. So compensation, I don't think I have a section for compensation yet, but what I will do is I will maybe grab all this. Let me see if I can make another section. Duplicate this entire row. So duplicate. There we go. Now let's create a qualifications section, which is right over here. One in English. XYZ the other. All right, paste. Okay, let's not do that. Paste this plain text. There we go. Perfect. I'll just make these bullet points. Okay, that didn't work. How do I make this bullets? Okay. Stay on the call. How do I make this bullet points? Okay. Definitely don't know how to do that. Once I figure that out, that'll be fine. I'll just do that for now. So you can always go over here, just hit that dash button. Okay. Adding spaces are like tough, I guess. Hit dash, space, space. Don't know why I can't see this. Dash, space, space. Okay. Okay. Dash, space, space. There we go. All right, that'll work. Compensation. All right, we'll actually start this from $8 per hour for full time, 40 hours a week. Is that the compensation I want? I mean, I don't necessarily need a full time, so like it's just 20 hours a week. Uh, Flexibility to adjust schedule based on CEO needs. Cool. Sweet. If you have a passion for executive assistants, have a mind to help businesses succeed, and are very strong written, please apply today. All right, cool. So let's save this before I go any further so I don't miss anything. So let me change the actual content here. So this would be executive virtual assistant. CEO. Executive. Make sure that's good. Just save that. And let's save. All right. So basically, so far we have who we are, what do we need from you? This is the description itself, qualifications somebody should have, the compensation for a all right. And then over here, this is what we have to do. We have to go create another form. So let's go ahead and go to the save this. And what I will do is I will show you how to create a form. We're going to hit the back button here. We're going to go over to the form builder right here. Go over to, for me, the applications. I already have a form, but I'm going to create one from scratch here. Actually, I like this one. So let me just duplicate. Well, let me create it from scratch just to show you. So if I need to create a form from scratch here, it'll just go to blank form. I'll create a new form. I give it a title. So it'll be like EVA form. EVA form, first name, last name, phone number, email. Okay, I can remove this probably. My button here is going to say submits, and then we will just take this out. Doesn't need that. All right, let's ask some questions. Let's go back to Chat GPT and ask it, provide me 5 questions that I can use to evaluate the candidates for this role. Please make them easy enough to understand and straightforward, but not too easy that I will miss the ability to disqualify. All right. 5 well-rounded questions to evaluate candidates for this role, designed to assess their skills, experience, approach to handling key responsibilities. So time management. The question is, you have full days of tasks, including scheduling meetings, responding to urgent emails, and arranging last-minute travel. How would you prioritize these tasks? Assess their ability to prioritize and manage time under pressure. Yeah, I mean, this is a really good one. Just really good. Let me actually take all this, put this in my document. There's this tab feature. So I'll name this one. That's the position. This is the questions. All right, here we go. Now we have full-on questions for communication, time management, prioritization, problem solving, attention to detail, all that. Yeah, perfect. Let's go back to the form builder. Let's ask it some questions. I like to use the multi-line, so we'll just do some multi-line questions here. We'll call it question 1. Actually, can I just paste that? Yeah, very perfect. Short label. Pretty sure I have to do the query key. Full days. There's full day tasks down here. Custom field name. Full day tasks. Okay. I guess I can't change that. I'm going to try to change this. Full day tasks. I've only done this too many times to experience some poor experiences. So what I will do is we'll double check that at the end of it. So that's question number 1. Let's go to question number 2. How would you respond to the email from potential business partner requesting a meeting with the CEO when the calendar is fully booked for the week? That's actually really good. I will paste that there. And let's just how to respond business partner. All right. Add that bad boy there. Let's go to the next one. And let's go over here, grab the next question. The CEO scheduled to attend a meeting in person, but their flight is delayed and they won't make it on time. How would you handle the situation? All right. Well, let's go back over here. Do the same thing. Okay. I think I should just make it. I don't think I'm going to make it all optional, but I'm just going to expect them to do it all because they're assistants like that. The CEO busy, flights delayed. Okay. Save that. Let's try to save this as we go. Sweet. All right, cool. No errors. Sometimes I get errors by like saving some things that I have to deal with that later. But let us continue. So we have 5 questions to do. Can you describe the time when you noticed small detail that others missed, but I made a significant difference in the outcome? think I'm just going to ask also a general question for like their experience. But let's finish this out. Describe a small detail missed. There we go. Save that. Save as we go. Because we can definitely mess that up. All right. What tool software is used to calendar management XYZ the other? Okay, cool. Let us do that. Last question here. Tools, software used. All right. There's those. And then I'm going to give it some opportunity to tell me just in their own words. Actually, that I would just do the Loom video for that. So I do like to provide a need for everyone to do a Loom video. So let me show you something cool. So this is actually a great trick to, not a trick, but more of like a great way to compound your winnings here, I guess. One way to put it. So what I'll do is I actually go over to my other application. I'm going to grab this Inside Sales Agent one. What I do is I actually have my invite code here. But what I'm going to do is just take the instructions and I'm going to go back over here, grab the instructions, paste it here, go to loom.com. Okay, get smaller. What I like to do is this, like, I will basically link this over to my Loom. And then I'll have my invite code. So I go to Loom over here. I have my invite code, earn videos by inviting people. Copy invite code. See, I've already earned 100 videos from some people. I'll go over here, back over to my Loom. I'll do the URLs right there. And then there's my invite code. So create a free account, set the other, submit your link here. Cool. Save that. And let's add the link where they can submit it. Single line. Okay. Do I have something already like this? So I'll do Loom, video, Loom, video. I'll do like, please provide a intro of yourself and your experience for this role. Thanks. Cool. So Loom video link, submit, and then on submission, what am I gonna do on submission? Okay, on submission, I don't think I can change anything there, but it's fine. Cool. Let's save it. Let's see if it saves. Sweet. We are saved. All right. Now we have a form. Now I'm completed with that form. What I will do is go back to my funnel. Go back to where I put it, application funnels, executive assistant, VA application. What I'm going to do now is create the form, add the form here. Okay. Executive assistant form. And it's very basic, very simple. I can always change the form. I don't have to change the page. So let's save this again. Update SEO meta. And what I will do is on form submission, go to next step. I mean, next step, I guess, is just thank you page. So let me go back, make sure that the URL is all good. Check the settings here. Okay, see, I got to change this path to like EVA application. Select the domain. This will be under Next Level Marketing Agency. It's my 404, I think. But I don't need payment codes. I can leave that on. I guess I can leave that on. Don't really need any of this. Let's just save that. That was the settings for the funnel. Okay, let's also go over here. This is the actual like URL. So let's change this around. So we'll do like EVA, application, update step. All right, I guess that's fine. So let's preview it. Okay, that's a problem. Big problem. Not sure what's going on there. Click the settings here. Okay. EVA application, I guess. Let's try this. I think this is going to work. It's been a little bit since I've done this. All right, that sucks. Let's see if it works in here. Can I preview it from here? Yes, I can preview it from there. So I think I just got to publish it. So there you go. So starting budget's $5 per hour, part-time ESC hours only, 20 hours a week with flexibility to adjust schedule based on CEO needs. 1 month trials, part of 20 hours a week. We'll move full-time based on performance and interest in the role. Cool. All right. Let's do that. So we'll publish that. Let's see what happens. Not sure. That's okay. It definitely didn't work. Oh, it's connected to the funnel, but it's redirected. Okay, so I connected to the wrong, I already have this redirected. So let's go over to this one. That should get rid of that. Yeah. Okay. Continue. Change. I have it redirected to handle my www, but yeah, so that got rid of that. So let's see. Did this work? Sure. There we go. And then maybe will it work without the numbers here? And it works. All right. So what I'm going to do is bookmark this page, put it in my little bookmark area for my job applications. There we go. Now we have a application. So now before we post it, what I'm going to do is actually connect it to Zapier. So Zapier or Zapier, whatever you want to call it, it provides us a need, an opportunity to, let me show you my ISA one. Basically a webhook from Go High Level. Whenever a form submitted, it'll send it over to my Slack. So the way that works is I'm going to actually duplicate this. How do I do that? Duplicate. And I'm going to create, pretty simple. It's just two things. So EVA application submits. All right. And so it will be a catch hook. And we will get a hook from Go High Level. But let's make sure. Okay, I guess I also have to build a Slack. So let me show you the Slack. What I will do here is under this area, I will create a channel. I will make it a private channel. It'll be EVA applications. And skip for now. All right, now I have a channel. And so what I'm going to do is I connect my Zapier to my Slack. Make sure that it's connected to the proper channel, EVA applications. There we go. Okay, so I definitely got to handle the webhook first. So let's configure the webhook. Okay. 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 I think I have to change this maybe. Webhook. I got to configure it to a different URL. Maybe I shouldn't have copied this, but is there a way to refresh this, reset this? Oh, there's the webhook. Okay, cool. I don't think it's the same. Let me double check. I don't think it's the same as this webhook. That's the F1. Oh yeah, it's definitely not the same. Okay, cool. So it's not the same webhook. It gave me a new webhook. So now that I have a webhook, I'm going to actually connect it over to Go High Level. So now we have the form being submitted. And so I'm going to actually go to my automations. I have an application folder. What I've done here is I could just show you appointment setter applied. This is my outreach setter. Basically, add a webhook. When the form is submitted, add a webhook. And that's all I really need. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to create it from scratch just to show you the process. So the trigger, let's give it a name. EBA application submitted. This will be form submitted. Okay, this will be the form is EBA form. Save trigger, webhook. And this is going to be a post because we want it to send out. We want to post it, put it in the mail. We don't want to get the mail. We want to post the mail. Okay, so that's how you know how that is. Save that. I got the URL for the webhook from Zapier. Now I have that. I mean, that's pretty much all that's needed. And then I'm going to publish this actually because why not? All right, cool. So now we got that. So now the webhook is connected. I'll close that so I don't confuse. Webhook is connected. Let's configure the EVA application. So I have this template application. What I want to do is let's test the webhook though. I'm going to have to submit the information from the webhook for the webhook to trigger. So let's just go ahead and submit a application for testing purposes. Okay. Testing 2, testing 3, testing 4, testing 5. Then big testing. Boom. All right, now we'll submit it. Try the form, make sure it works. Thanks for submitting it. There we go. That gets to the next page. Now we go back to here and we can like find new records. There's a new record that just came in right now. So I'm looking for testing stuff. Testing. There we go. Testing 1, 2, 3. There we go. Perfect. Big testing. There's big testing. Perfect. All right. Now we got to send our private message to the channel. And let's make sure we get the name, first name, last name, phone number. I just like Dave. Oh, good number. Phone. Okay. Can I make this bigger? No, I can't expand it. That's not cool. I don't really need the phone number, but I don't understand why it's not giving me it. Okay, well, let's just avoid that for now. All right. What I'm going to do is give this one the Loom video. Big testing. Big testing came in. I just get the Loom video right there. So I can just watch that. What I'll do is now just give me like one sentence. I'm going to go back to Chat GPT, have it do the heavy lifting. Now, for these 5 questions, give me a one sentence that I can subtitle my responses. No, subtitle my output when reviewing the questions. I want this to be very short and to the points. All right, cool. There you go. This is question number 1, big testing. All right, we'll just grab that. Titles for each of the questions. And let's pop that bad boy here, just in case I need it. All right. This will help me just like simplify it a little bit. I'll just pop that bad boy there. All right. This is the testing. Oh my gosh. As you can see, it's sort of like not as cool. I gotta like go through each of these. Um, all right, that's the first one. Here we go. Boom, testing. All right, got the first one. Let's go through each of these and find testing. Testing 2. Here we go. Testing 2. Let's find testing 3. Testing 4. I'll take it. Testing 3. Testing 3. Okay. Can't find it yet. I definitely need a better way to find these things. This is like not efficient whatsoever. But if you have a better way, let me know. Definitely ears. Testing 4. Testing 2. Big testing. Testing 3. Here we go. Testing 3. All right, cool. Now I got all my questions there. What I'm going to do now, be fluent in English. I definitely need to ask that question. Okay, definitely gonna ask that question. Be fluent in English. I gotta add that to the form. But let us add the questions here. Communication skills. The application. We just add that. That's question 1, 2. Question number 3. Question number 4. All right. Last question here. I know this process is a little like extensive, but overall, this is really what helps me like cut down a lot of time later. All right, cool. So my EVA application is going to give me the name, the email, the Loom link, and then answer the questions that I have and provide fluent in English. We want to also give it a name. I already have a name. We just put robot space. You know, I could definitely try that for the bot icon. Send the channel message. Yeah, continue. Let's try to do this, bad boy. All right, there we go. Test the step. Make sure it goes through. And I will show you what it looks like. So we have our big testing. Testing 2, testing 3. I think I gotta change that a little bit, but it's all good. Let me just fix it up a bit. Go back to configure. I will fix it up a bit. And how we do that, we'll just give it a space here. Get rid of that. That's already got its own space. Get rid of the front quotation. Get rid of the front quotation. There we go, front quotation. There we go. Now I'll save that. Make sure nothing else needs to shift. Big testing. And I think I'm going to get rid of the Zapier thing. It says like add a link to the Zap. No, I'm good. Cool. Publish. So once we have that published, our form is fully submitted and ready. So what we've done so far is we built a lot. We built a page that has a form, built an automation to go from Zapier and go high level to Zapier, from Zapier to Slack. So we don't have to use the go high level credits. And then we have also got our questions, got our job description from what's it called? Let me grab the link here so I can do an easy copy paste. Go back. So I have my link. I have my job description here. What I'm going to do is add this here. Okay. All right. Let me make sure this is not going to like mess up. I'll just give some spaces. There we go. Important. I call this important to apply. I'm going to do compensation. $5 per hour at 20 to 40 hours per week, depending on CEO needs. Start at 20 hours per week. 20 hours per week. There we go. Pretty simple, pretty simple. And now what we will do, copy this bad boy, and now we can finally make a post. So let's start getting some actual applications. So I'm going to post a job on my online jobs.ph. What I'm going to do, actually, I'm just going to paste it for oh, I can't paste it. I don't want to ever get these notifications. Job title, executive virtual assistant for the CEO. Any part-time. Okay. Give it some spaces. You can't bold anything, so make sure we're separating out the areas though, at least. Working hours, compensation, importance. $5 per, so this would be $400 per month. 20 hours per week. And then that'll be contact person, skills, executive assistance, administrative assistance, personal assistants, they're all virtual assistant, CEO, executive. Calendar management. Inbox. I think calendar management is good. Executive assistant, personal assistant, and calendar management. So those are the 3 skills that I choose here. Got the job title, description, responsibilities, qualifications, working hours, hours flexible, Eastern. All right, give it some US time frame. Now we will make this post. Desired number of hours per week, 400. Okay, cool. Let's post. And successfully post. Congratulations. You've successfully post. You can create 9 more job posts for this month. All right. So if we want to take a look at the job post, we go to our job post here. There it is. Click on that. There it is. And now I can actually go over here and make sure that works. Boom. And then they click on that link. They go over here, submit the form, submit the information. And then, I mean, let's just walk through it right now. Like, I'll just type it in, and then we'll just numbers, and then we'll do email, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then Loom, baby. All right, submit, open up Slack, and then give it a second. There we go. How cool is that? So, in a matter of how long we've been doing that for. I don't know how long we've been doing that for, but less than an hour, right? Maybe 30 minutes to an hour. We have it is so cool. We have developed and built automations to help our application process, not only from just the ground level, right? So now we have a full ad post up on onlinejobs.ph. Where is that? Where is that? Where is that? Where is it? Oh, I clicked out of it. So okay. Okay. Gotta go back. There it is. Our full ad post. We have okay. So a couple things we've done here. So in this video, we've walked through how to use AI to help you create a job post, how to build questions to assess a job candidate, how to help yourself understand how to review that questions. Also, that's just creating the job post alone. Next, we've also built an entirely new web page with Go High Level, which is our next level CRM offer, which if you need, we can definitely help. But we have built an entirely new workflow where all the applicant has to do is go to the page right over here, go to the page, submit, see the information, submit their information, submit a Loom video. As a bonus, you're going to get free Loom videos. How cool is that? Give me a like if that's legit. Also, when they submit it, it goes into a webhook, which we created an automation specifically for. When this form is submitted, webhooks sends it over to Zapier. Zapier will then catch that webhook, send it over to Slack. Slack will then analyze this and provide this detail over to me. So that is so cool. I think there's some tweaks that I have to do with the English, but I could actually just remove that for now. I will be able to tell from there. I'll be able to tell from there. What's it called? So, I'll be able to tell from their Loom video. And let us maybe remove that for now. If I need to add it, I can add it. Configure edit that because I already published it. All right, cool. So let's remove that. And we are chilling. Let's go publish. Let's go remove language. All right, sweet. We're going to publish it again. But how cool is that? Now all we have to do is just every time an application comes through, we see it come through. So I can delete it. I can, star it. I can have another administrative assistant handle that and just look through it. But, that's how we did it. How we basically took an online job portal and brought it into our Slack automatically with the tools we already have available to us. Plus, you're getting free Loom videos. So, yeah, check that out. Let me know if you have any questions. Hit me in the comments. Like this channel. Like this video if you found it valuable. Subscribe to the channel. Next Level Marketing is here to not only put out marketing videos to help you grow your business as a whole, but also just provide some value that maybe you can use, maybe you can't use. But regardless, if you have any questions, let me know. This is how I'm going to get my executive virtual assistant. So if you want edits, you want the template, you want everything here that I've done, so you just copy paste, send me a comment below and I will send it over to you. So, all right. Thank you so much. I'm out. Now I can just hire somebody else to do this for me. Boom. All right, let's go. All right, guys. Thank you.